what up guys, welcome to another vlog. So currently I'm in La Mer Beach and we are just going to attend a car show. It's like a car meetup, Veloster car meetup, and there are gonna be some muscle cars, American 500. So yeah, we are just chilling out over here and we're gonna go in just some time and show you all the cars. Hey guys, so we finally made it to the event and yeah, so a lot of cars are turning up. He's my friend Zia.
Hi.
My boy. And yeah, as you can see, there are a couple of Ford Mustangs, Velosters out there. Yeah, a lot of cars, and still a lot of people are coming up. The event has just started, so I hope there are gonna be a lot more cars and we can show you. Yeah. So I guess all the cars are here, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna move out from here, but then I really like the event. I don't know about you, Zia. What about you?
Frankly, a bit disappointing. I was expecting more cars, to be frank.
Yeah, we were expecting more cars.
Two groups here.
Yeah.
But that's it for sure. Right?
Yeah, there are so many Velosters, but the American 500, you know, the muscle cars, very less. But yeah, overall it's okay, it's good. Maybe
it's a fine event. I mean, yeah, they've got their best collection, I suppose.
Yeah,
so yeah,
so
it's good.
Let's see. We'll show you some more if we are here, if we stick around. For now, peace out. Yo guys, so we just saw a couple of GTRs. There were like 4 or 5 GTRs and it was just amazing, don't you think, Zia?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, out of all the cars in the day, this was the best.
I swear. But yeah, overall good day. It's quite humid, hot, so I think we are about to just leave from here now.
Just have to leave this place now.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys after some time.
Hey guys, meet Joy.
Joy Vlogs.
Yeah, Joy Vlogs, and he's one of the nice guy who's doing this vlogs thing and all. It's actually been a pleasure for me to.
I'm blushing.
Yeah.
Guys.
But I feel this as like a prestige thing to stand beside Joy and to have this video.
Okay. Too much Naseeb. Too much. Let's just get down to our shots. What's up? Welcome back to the next day of the vlog. So currently we are in Al Seef, a very popular tourist destination. Yeah, so today is actually Eid, so you'll see a lot of people out here. Why we came here, specifically me and my boy Zia, why we came over here is to see the fireworks. So it's gonna start in some time. We'll catch you guys there. Yo, so we just got done with the fireworks and now we are heading out for dinner. We don't know where exactly we're gonna go, but yeah, we're gonna stuff our stomachs and then we probably are gonna go for a drive, short drive maybe. We'll see. Bro, how badly are you sweating?
A lot.
A lot? I can see your head.
So wonderful. Sounds so wonderful in the beginning. When you go somewhere, but
It's too hot, too bloody hot. Alright, so I just made it home. I'm pretty tired, guys. I didn't sleep much in the past 2 days, so I'm just gonna, pass out on my bed. Hey, what up, everybody? Today is Friday, so I'm just gonna go for a long drive with my friend. We're actually planning to go to Abu Dhabi, and there's a place in Abu Dhabi which is called Saadiyat Island. So we are going to go there and find out what's interesting out there. So let's go. Yeah. What up, bro? All set to go to Abu Dhabi. Hey, so we are just on our way to Abu Dhabi. But we came across this very creative place which is called Last Exit, and basically Last Exit has a very unique theme which is the Mad Max. I'm sure you guys know about it, Mad Max theme. So let me just show you around, then you can have a clear picture. Alright, we have got a busted up car over here. So again, this is the Mad Max theme. I'm sorry guys, my windshield is kind of dirty, so please bear with that. But yeah, so this is one of them, and then we have a couple of more over there, you can see. So this is actually nice. This is the second time I'm coming over here. So it's just on the way. So I just wanted to show you guys how the entrance looks. So this is Last Exit. Yeah, so they have a couple of joints out here, but like I said, it's a Mad Max theme. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, there you go. You have these crazy places. You see that monster truck out there. You see that? Damn, son. Looks like a tank, bruh. Wow. Look at this car. I wish I could own this. Wow. Look at this one. So which one is better, guys? This one or this one? Or this one? So they got a couple of more. Those are the ones. Oh yeah. So it's a very sunny day today and we are in last exit. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys a little bit around this area. So you have a couple of joints out there, outdoor seating. You can just sit back, enjoy your burger or whatever. And then
It's got a Mad Max theme.
yeah, like I said before. And look behind me, my god, look at this huge ass truck and has those guns over there. Okay, sorry about, yeah, those guns and everything. It's insane, guys, out here. It's insane. And I don't know, what is this? Z, what is over there at the back? That's a windmill? Really? Okay, it's very old school. Anyway, we are just gonna head on to the road now. So see you guys in a bit. So we finally made it to Saadiyat Islands, or Saadiyat Island, whatever. But yeah, it's a very beautiful place. Let me just show you guys. Check this out. I don't know what the hell is that, but I'm guessing it's
a hotel.
That's a hotel? Yeah. Wow. Just check it out. Woohoo! Okay. Pretty nice hotel. I guess it's a 5-star hotel. Oh yeah, it's Saadiyat Rotana. Okay. And apart from hotels, they also have residential communities and stuff. But right now we are heading somewhere close to the beach. I think this island has a beach as well somewhere, but we just have to find it out. Unfortunately, we reached a little late, so the public beach is closed. We found the access, but then yeah, it was just closed. So I guess now we are going to...
many more places to show. We'll be on our way. We'll find many other places. It's a big city. Hopefully we'll find something good and we can show you.
Let's see. But yeah, I really wanted to see that turquoise blue water. But no worries, maybe next time. So now we are entering Abu Dhabi city. It's basically an island, right? See?
Yeah, it's a big island.
It's a big ass island. So yeah.
Concept of New York, Manhattan, you can say it's basically the same.
Yeah.
It's an entire island where the city is actually on an island.
Nice. So we came to Abu Dhabi Corniche, and behind me is the UAE Heritage Village. So let's go and find out what's inside. Alright, so we are finally inside, and I think they have some sort of historical archives and stuff like that. So, is it closed?
Yeah, it's closed.
Damn son, why is it closed? Why? Is it because it's a Friday?
No, they have I think 4 p.m. Huh?
4 p.m. Shit, why we always late, bro? All because of you, Z. All because of you.
I asked you to come early.
What?
I asked you to come early, but you insisted on sleeping.
Yeah, but you didn't let me sleep, bro. What the hell? So finally I can see some water. Yeah, there you go. I think from here you can see the entire city of Abu Dhabi. I'm coming here after a long time. It's been years since I came to Abu Dhabi. Oh, there you go. There's the beach. Yeah. behind me is the lovely beach and you can see the skyline. Which area is that, bro?
That?
Yeah.
The entire city of Abu Dhabi. I cannot pinpoint the exact location.
Entire city of Abu Dhabi. Yeah. You got me to a good place. Why are you always busy with your phone, bro? What the hell? We came to enjoy the view. What are you doing?
Booking tickets.
Man, this guy's always busy. It's very peaceful out here. Now, what I've noticed is Dubai beach is always crowded and it's very noisy. But then over here, even though it's a Friday today, it's very peaceful. Something which I like. So, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the view right now. So I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so right now we are heading to Marina Mall and it's one of the oldest malls, right?
One of the oldest malls.
In Abu Dhabi?
It was, gives me nostalgia. I used to stay here in UAE, Abu Dhabi before. So
we're just going to get some water because I'm thirsty as hell. Oh yeah, we got some water. This guy's been making me thirsty for past what, 4 hours?
Go ahead. Just open it up and just have
sure. Yo, so we are in the city of Abu Dhabi. We're just cruising around the streets. By the way, one fact I wanted to tell you guys, Abu Dhabi is one of the safest cities in the world. Why? Because my boy Z is going to explain.
They have surveillance and CCTV cameras all around the city.
Yeah.
And they monitor your speed and there's a lot of detail about it. You can check it out on Google yourself.
Exactly. And there is like patrolling everywhere, so yeah, you cannot do any bad stuff. So you got some tea?
Yeah.
Where's the tea, bro? Okay, let me have this. Tea is very essential for our lives. Alright, so we just got done with our dinner and we had biryani. Unfortunately, we couldn't vlog that because it was too crowded in the restaurant. But right now we are having tea, as you can see. So yeah, after that, what's the plan, bro?
Heading back home probably.
Yeah, it's a 2-hour drive, so we're pretty tired now. We've been roaming since what, 2 o'clock or something, right?
2:30.
Yeah, so now we are going home. So that's it, guys, for today. We're gonna end the vlog over here and we'll catch you in the next vlog. Take care. Peace out.